Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, this is Jaboreli of Jaboreli.com. Just a bunch of referral links. Today we're talking about Coin. It's a very generic name for this app, and honestly I think it should have been named something else, but I would just want to kind of go over a simple overview because this app is pretty complicated. So hopefully I hit all the things and it makes sense. I'm hoping it makes sense. So you can see up here I've got about 7,000 coins. The current price of the coin, or actually the coin itself, is the XYO Network coin. Not worth a whole lot US dollar, even less in BTC. But it's about 4,000 to 1 right now. That's this 0.0002. So not a whole lot. And it doesn't seem to be changing anytime soon. So what is Coin? It's GPS data mining. They will pay you in their coin format, XYO Network coin, for your GPS data. And there's lots of functionality features involved in this. I would call it one of the more legitimate, even if slightly gimmicky, ideas as far as an app goes. They kind of bill themselves as a, hey, you can do this for fun. But really it's a practical, real thing that they're helping GPS companies do. And GPS is a huge thing in the world right now. Everybody needs this. It helps us find our way. So it's good to have accurate GPS data, and that is what Coin gives you. So long as you stay in one place, whatever you identify as your home, and you can see where I am here on the map, the more coin you get for mining that point every single time. And if you leave this auto collect thing running constantly, and you have to leave the app on to do that, then you get more and more and more the more you stay in one place. So right now, where people have to stay in place all the time, this is actually pretty useful. If you click on this, you will get a list of the biggest geo mines out there right now. This is kind of part of the mining concept, even though technically it's still GPS data. If you click on it and you click on it quickly, you can get more coin out of it. It doesn't show at the moment, but there's a little green icon here that you can press on, like these other two icons, which will basically play you an ad, and then you can get somewhere between, I think, 8 and 20 coins per ad you watch. It's just another way to add more to your total. Of course, if you're going to leave the app open all the time, it's actually not a bad idea. This I haven't quite figured out yet. It's Geo Drops. That is, you can drop coin on the map, either on your purple square or any purple square. You can say, I want this one, or just throw it somewhere in the world and someone will pick it up. I've noticed it's actually kind of useful to send out links to my channel. So I sometimes, if you're looking, if you get lucky enough, you might get somewhere between 20 and 100 coin out there from me, Jaboreli, because I drop these all over the place. So there's a good reason if you want one, other than just all the other reasons that are involved here. This is the main mining thing, as I mentioned before. So you click on this to mine. If you do the auto collect when you're out walking, riding the bus, driving or whatever, however you're getting around, you want to leave it on auto collect constantly, just so you get coins all the time. And then there's this staking feature out here, this flag thing, this purple flag. I have to live near four corners, 4 different squares. You can't see them, but there's a square here, there's a square here, there's a square here. And so I've gone out and grabbed a claim in each one of these squares. And so whenever somebody mines on those squares, I get a cut. So I highly recommend that thing, although you do have to have a good chunk of change to make it worthwhile. Most people put up 100, maybe 200. I often put up 500 coin. And I know people put more than that, but if you want change back, you have to stake on each one. And if you don't live near these, believe me, it's not going to be a short distance to get to the edge of one. Each one of these sides is 30 kilometers or 20 miles long. So if you're not near, if you're in the middle, you're going 15 kilometers one way or the other to get to the edge of, or to get to a corner. Anyways. This is just extras in here, referrals, bonus drops, kind of an explanation. You can order a premium plan through here. I highly recommend the premium plans. They do pay you back. So even though you might be putting up 25 to 30 US dollars, you'll get it all back in a month. Now, of course, you need to use the app every day, but it is worth it. I'm currently at the premium plan, the top premium plan. And they say that you'll get somewhere between well, basically 36 times as much. There's another part to this which I'm not going to talk about in a simple overview. There's these Sentinel little token things you can buy. Not going to talk about that right now, but it can increase your coin gains even more by using a Sentinel. But yeah, that's for another video. But I wanted to kind of get the last thing here is what you can get, because they're trying to reward you. If you just reward you with these coins, well, what would that be worth? Well, the coins themselves, as I've said, are worth about 4,000 coins to $1 US. You can exchange that here once you hit 10,000 plus. You can exchange, but if you go higher, now that's obviously a pretty high number right there. But you can exchange for other amounts. This is about $250 US worth of Bitcoin. Well, at the current price, it's probably 240, but close to it. You can get Ether. It's about the same amount, although Ether is a smaller amount. It's like $214 US right now or so. There are prizes, this Bluetooth speaker, portable charger, some Apple AirPods. I think everybody's interested in that. Exposit 1S. So there's lots of prizes you can get. Oh, there's a Sentinel I was talking about earlier. Shirts, clothing, coins, all kinds of neat things. So as you collect coins, you can buy these things instead of paying yourself back. If you think about how much a coin is valued at and how much you're going to get out of the plans, it might be roughly equal to having just paid for it straight out. But while you can earn more coin through the use of the app, you could potentially get more than the value they're putting into it. So it does involve a lot of your participation, but kind of the end goal, as far as I can tell, is that coin is a practical purpose. It is really trying to do something real, and I like that. I really like that, because it's not just a we'll give you coin for playing our game and watching our ads, or we'll give you coin at a faucet just because it's almost always ad based, but just because it gets you onto our website. It's not just a marketing ploy, and I really appreciate that what the XYO Network and Coin is trying to do with this, at least at my current comprehension. I've only been doing this for about a week, but yeah, so Coin is a GPS mining app, a real practical thing that you can actually use to help the world and get paid for. So I will make another update on this after I've given a little bit more time and a little bit more idea of how this works. Check out the links in the description. I always forget about telling you guys this, but please, if you like my content, please give me a like. If you don't, please give me a comment. Or if you do, give me a comment. I like comments. I like the feedback. I like talking with my subs and new people. But I'd also like to announce that because I'm going for a push to get to 1,000 subs, really want to make that 1,000. I want to let everybody know. I'm trying to do this in all my videos now. I'm going to be doing a giveaway to the 1,000th sub. The 1,000th person who subs to my channel will go into the drawing. Actually, I'm still trying to figure out if it's going to be 1,000 subs or it's going to be some random person in it. But I'm looking for more people to sub to my channel, and we're going to do a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subs. I'm looking at probably doing 50,000 Satoshi, maybe more, maybe 500,000. Still trying to figure that out. But yes, there's definitely going to be a giveaway. So please sub, please like, and give me a comment, please. I love the feedback. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.